Bomulunze mwozo ekenekwe munu amunwa bedu munu nwoke na nwanne unu nwoke. Yeah, but most times we the Igbos we the F up big time. I'm still trying to figure out how some people really feel. How do you feel that you're joining hands or forces with somebody trying to bring your fellow Igbo person down? Sometimes I feel pain when I see many Igbo people see someone tarnishing, insulting, doing everything possible to bring down an Igbo person. Many Igbo people will be joining hands, will be supporting the person, chanting the person praise, making it look like the person has opened their eyes to know that their Igbo brother or sister is a bad person. How do you guys really feel doing that? How do you guys really feel seeing yourself to join forces with an outsider to bring down Igbo person? You know, makes sense. First of all, defend your person for outside. But as inside, only if you get only if you get me. Bagodo ogu, bagodo one nego oguilo, bali oguilo. Unu batazie n'ụlọ na amalụkwụ m ga-esi dozie onwe unu. Anyị na-emezi ka ndị Igbo na-enwe ha amamife. Why? See, Igbo love themselves and you can never convince me to believe otherwise. And the Igbos also equally, they are very wise people. Anyị nwere ọgụgụ isi. You cannot make me to believe otherwise. One love.